Hello everyone, and welcome back to Zeus Tech. Hello everyone! Today in this video, we're going to be talking about Python functions. So, before we begin, if you like the content that I post, please leave the video with a like and subscribe, comment down below how it was, and turn the post notifications to get notified whenever I release a new video. And also, check out my past videos if you don't have any prior knowledge in Python, as this is a little more advanced than from what I've done before. So watch those videos before you watch this to get understanding so you can start doing this. So in this video, we're going to be learning how to make Python functions. And before we start to make them, let's understand what is a function. So what a function is it's a piece of code that you can call. It's basically, you can call it from anywhere. You can use it anywhere. I'm going to be talking about importing and exporting soon. So you can call the function from anywhere in the program or in other programs as well. But if you want to call from other programs, you'll have to do some other stuff, and I'll teach that in the upcoming videos. And now we know what functions are. It's pretty simple. It's just a piece of code that you can call. The piece of code does what it does. But how do you know if something's a function? Well, an example will be a print function. If you see, when we write down print function, there's these two brackets. This means that it's a function. So remember this. Write it down somewhere. A function's a function if it has brackets right after it, like here. Another example will be input function, like that. But now we know what a function is and how we can tell if it's one. But now let's create a function, shall we? So to create a function, first you have to specify it's a function. And we do that by typing on def. And then we name the function. Let's just make this hello function. And then right away brackets and then colon. Do not forget the colon, because Python works in spaced format. So if you want to make a function, if you want to put code inside of it, you have to have a colon and you have to have an indent. And if you have PyCharm, this will auto indent, and it usually does for other editors as well, like Visual Studio Code or like grepl, whatever you have. Now that we've got a function, let's just do something. Let's just print hello. A simple example. And how we call the function? Well, we call it like we call anything else. We just put hello, and then use it here. There's F here, means function. And then you can just click enter. This is our function. Same thing like print function, but just it does something else. And now, if we run this, it prints hello, because all we're doing in this function is printing hello, and then we're calling the function. So let's quickly retrace our steps so we understand. So first we make the function, specify with def, and then specify the name, and then brackets. Brackets are important, remember these. And then we add colon, and then inside the colon we indent, and we put in the code that we want. I just printed hello for an example. You can do whatever you want. You can do an if loop, while loop, for loop, asking question like input, whatever you want. And then I'm calling the function here, and when you run it, print hello. And just to let you know, a quick tip: once you start making your function, you see here there's gonna be error. Well, you haven't done anything wrong. The thing is that it wants something to put inside. So say that you're making a function but you don't know what you want inside of it, just put pass and it just fills it in for you. But that isn't important for today, because what we're doing is this. So this is how you make a function, simple example. And look for my next videos, coming up videos in this week, as I'll be talking more and more about functions. And I don't want to take up any more of your time. You've learned what you needed when you came to the video. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.